Hello friends, and welcome to our weekly meal planner and shopping list. We made this with college students in mind, but it's good for anybody because, let's be real, nobody has time or energy to make their plans for everything they're going to cook that week and then figure out all the ingredients they need for an entire week. Instead, people just buy stuff and hope for the best, so this will help you out.
Alright, so this is very simple to use. The first step is you're going to go to our meal selector over here, and all you do is for each day, you simply scroll through this drop down and you can choose what meal you'd like. So we're just going to go ahead and fill this out. This is really sensitive. Okay. How about that? Just gonna put some random things. How about chicken? Okay, so once you have your meal selector all filled out, all you do here is click compile ingredients, and then I'll give you a list of everything that you need to make these meals. And then in order to fill out your shopping list, you simply click this compile shopping list button, and all you do is you go through everything that you have in your kitchen and you just make sure that you have it, and you'll just go through and check off everything that you have. So again, we're just gonna randomly choose some things for this example. And then you simply come down here and click finish when you're done. And on top of telling you everything that you need to buy at the store, it'll also give you about an estimated cost, how much you're gonna have to spend, and then over here it'll total it up for you. Very nice.
So currently, if you want to add another recipe, you have to go to this recipe tab and actually manually add a recipe, and then make sure all the ingredients are on the prices list and add extra prices. A future update may change that and make it more automatic, but for now it does have to be done manually. Anyway, we're excited to share this with you, and we hope you like it.